So in this guide, I am going to show you how you can able to book 2 to 3 appointments per day using this very simple system. I don't know why not everyone is doing this, but it should be illegal. Like in past few months, I have booked over 100 plus appointments for my company and my clients using this one system. And now I am going to share you the full system with you, everything that I have used. So for that, you have to have a Google Map Scraper. If you have a Google Map Scraper extension which work in Chrome, then you can use it. But I made a Google Map Scraper myself and which work in like Microsoft Edge rather than Chrome. So I use this extension, which is my own extension. And if you need this extension, I can provide you at a very cheap cost for a lifetime deal, not a monthly recurring revenue. So what you have to do is you have to just paste your keyword and location you want to use, like your niche and your location, US, UK, city's name, the location and niche you want to target. Here you can see I have already scrapped 586 leads and 529 websites of IV hydration clinics in Canada cities. So as you can see, I have scrapped over 586 phone numbers of these people. Now what you have to do is like what I am going to do is download this sheet, like download the Google data and get my Microsoft Edge. Now I will open the sheet. First of all, you have to scrap the data opening Google Map Scraper, and you scrap the data, open it on a open it on a Google Sheet. Just click on File, Import, Upload, Browser. Click on the file you have downloaded. Click on Import Data. And here you can see I have gotten over 586 leads, mainly phone numbers of these companies. If you also want to extract the mails, like I don't want to extract the mails, but you like if you want to do this, just hop on a scraper and just select scrap emails. Like the website, like the scraper find 553 mails of these sites. Like just click here and it's going to scrap the mails of every companies. And like there is no website of these companies, so let's wait. Here you can see the mails of the companies, the second mail of the company. So yeah, if you want to extract the mail, you can use our scraper as well. Now I only need the phone numbers and I want to use these phone numbers to do a outreach on WhatsApp. But as I am going to outreach to Canadian people where WhatsApp is used like very minimum, what I am going to do is I am going to use the extension called WA WhatsApp Checker, which is purely free of cost. It is going to check is the number is valid for WhatsApp outreaching or not. So just open a WhatsApp on your browser and wait for a few seconds. Let me check the recording is happening or not. Yep. As you can see that the WhatsApp is open, just click on WA WhatsApp Checker and now paste your number list here. Start checking. Now it is going to check every number in this sheet, only going to provide me the verified WhatsApp numbers. Now my WhatsApp number is verified. As you can see, I am going to click on download only success data, download to CSV, and going to import the data. Just click here. Wait, I am pausing the recording. So as you can see, the data is there. I am going to import it. And yeah, here are the successful phone numbers out of 585. There is only 98 successful phone numbers because I am choosing a Canadian company, like countries where WhatsApp is used very less. But if you are choosing Dubai, India, Turkey, like Asian countries where WhatsApp is used by 98%, you are going to get like only 2 to 3 unverified WhatsApp numbers. List, list, rest all are verified WhatsApp numbers. So I have gotten 98 phone numbers. What I'm going to do is I will select the phone. I want to personalize everything here in my WhatsApp outreach. Basically, if you use WhatsApp extension, it is very city process. Like in WhatsApp extension, your WhatsApp number get banned. When you use WhatsApp extension, your like you can't personalize the message and your WhatsApp block, like the WhatsApp blocked you. But if you are using a WhatsApp software, like we made our own software, which is the cheapest, you can personalize your message. You can get more replies without any ban. This is the perfect. So I am going to personalize my message by company name. Like you can use everything, company name, keyword, location, anything, but I only need a company name. So yeah, I only need a name of my companies. Just select the name and I am going to download the sheet as CSV. Now here's the best part. I am going to open my WhatsApp outreaching software. By the way, this is Dahi for protein, Dahi plus protein. So this is our WhatsApp outreaching software where you can see in this month I have totally like sent 486 messages in WhatsApp, 177 failed and 476 sent. In WhatsApp profile, you can able to see the report and everything, like how many campaigns I have added, how many messages sent, like everything you can see here. In bulk messaging, you can like make your campaign and bulk message people. My one campaign is already active. But for now, I am just going to add the contact numbers that I am scrapped. Just click on plus icon. Give your contact a name. IV Hydration, UK Canada. Just click on submit. Click on the list. Click on import. Import the CSV that you have scrapped. Now as you can see, these are the phone numbers and these are the names of the companies. And I am again giving you a warning, never use extensions to send bulk messages because it is going to ban your WhatsApp in just one day. You can try it. Now what I will do here, like I have 5 profiles, like 5 WhatsApp profiles. I am going to send 25 messages per profile, like 25, 25, 25, 25 and 25. So total 50, 50 and like 50, 50, 100 and 125 messages I can send in one day. To like you can buy a WhatsApp number in just 60 rupees, like it's the cheapest from my contact list. Like there is a, like in the description I have provided my WhatsApp number. You can text me that you need a WhatsApp number. I can provide you the WhatsApp number in just 100 rupees. So yeah, that's it. Now you have to hop on a bulk messaging, create a new campaign, set the profiles. I am going to select all the profiles. Click, like give a campaign a name, select your contact group and write a message you want to write. Like for example, I am only writing a message because I am not going to start this campaign because my one campaign is already started. So yeah, you can just type your caption like what you want to write. Hey, I want to sell you this, like anything you can write here, and you can select the time interval. I would suggest between 385 seconds to 440 seconds. The best time, if you select this time, your WhatsApp is not going to ban. So just Like just do this and activate the campaign. Now what is going to happen is from your WhatsApp number, from your WhatsApp number, the messages are going to send. As you can see my this campaign, and I'm going to show you. This is my campaign that is active currently. This is the copywriting message and everything. The words like the messages are going and I am going to reply them. And when I get back the replies, if you want the Google Map Scraper lifetime deal, if you want this WhatsApp outreaching software, which is the cheapest in the market, and if you want the WhatsApp numbers as well, just DM me in my WhatsApp. Link is in the description and I will provide you everything.